Hi everyone, let's try to solve another problem on projections of planes. It is the fourth problem. We have the question like this. A triangular plane figure of sides 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners, such that the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. If the side opposite to the corner on which the lamina rests makes an angle of 30 degree with VP, draw the top and front views in these particular positions. So here we have a triangular lamina of 25 mm sides and it is resting on one of its corners on HP. So let's try to solve it. We'll take the line as normal line. We'll draw the XY line. We'll draw the XY line out here. So the line should be normal. If we make the line visible, we can go select it and then change the line to normal. Here it is X in capital and here it is Y, VP and HP. X out here and Y out here. Now we'll take the line again and we'll change it to visible. And from here I will start the triangle. We'll start the triangle from here. That is the side is 25, enter, and 90 degree enter, minus 90 degree it was. So with the element indicator I will find the center, then type the length as 25, enter, once again enter, and then I will connect the ends out here. After that, again I will change the line to normal line. We'll project the line till the top here to draw the front view, and here once again I will change it to visible and draw an overlapping line for the front view. Now we'll name it out here. This particular point is A, here it has B, and here it has C. This one is A dash, and this particular point is B dash bracket C dash bracket close. So we'll place it if we want at the right positions. Now we'll measure this particular distance between the two. Now it is 21.65. We'll take the visible line. We'll start from here. We'll specify the length as 21.65. And if you see the question, it is making an angle of 60 degree with respect to HP. So now we'll specify the length. We had specified the length 21.65 and we have to give the angle as 60 degree. Enter. Now again we'll change the line to normal, project the line straight downwards, and from this particular tip to this particular end. Now from point A here till here you have the point A. See here, sometimes this happens, either you can zoom or draw a longer line, it will cut. So I haven't marked the naming out here. A is out here and B dash and C dash is out here. Now from C to C out here, B to B here. We'll trim the excess lines. Now we'll join the triangle using the visible line. So A to B, B to C, and C back to A. We'll name it, we'll copy the namings from here to here and C to here. Now we'll the triangle is making an angle of 30 degree with respect to VP. So I'll directly copy this particular triangle either by selecting the line one by one, click on each line. Then I will press hold the control key and then drag the triangle out. And now I will directly click on rotate and I'll specify the rotation point this and this. Now here I'm going to give the position angle as minus 30 as it is downwards. See here, once I have got it, I'll place it wherever I need and then we'll name it out. This is point C, this is point B, and this is point A. We'll take the line, normal line, we'll project from this particular point till here. A and A meets out here, B, B meets out here, C and C meets out here. If it goes like that, extend the line and trim it. I'll trim these excess lines. Now I'll make the line as visible. So at the tip of A to tip of B, from there to C and back to A. We'll name it out. This particular point was A dash, this was B dash, and this was C dash. We'll place it at the relevant points, relevant places, wherever we need. Now we have forgotten to give the dimension. So this was of 25 mm, and here the angle, here the angle is 60°, and the angle here is 30°, and this will fit it out, and this actually completes the problem number 4.